Hey, it's Ian, and I have a must-have item to keep your car organized, especially if you own a hatchback. This is the Stash Master. Now to start off with, this has 3 ultra-large mesh pockets to secure anything and everything you might keep inside your car. Now the best part about these mesh pockets is that you can see through them so that you can find just what you're looking for in seconds. Now for your more compact items that might get lost easily, you'll be happy to know that this even has 2 smaller pockets up at the top. And installation couldn't be simpler. All you have to do is tie these to the backs of your headrests. Now we've discovered just how versatile the Stash Master can be, and turns out it's not just for hatchbacks. You can actually fold this to size and tie it to the back of your front headrests. This gives you convenient and ample storage, which you can access right from your front seat. Now let's face it, we all can benefit from a little bit more storage and organization in our lives, especially in the car where it's hard to come by. Now we have a fantastic deal on this on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on. So head on over there and grab yours today.